Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want though. Maybe you can show me what you can do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life when me gon' do. Make you feel nice when me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you done do. Baby, I don't really know what you want do. Maybe you can show me what you can do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life when me gon' do. Make you feel nice when me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, go long bad, speed it up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No, say you're not my girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifechukwu Nwana and this is my Christmas vlog. In this vlog, I am going to be taking you guys along as I prepare, travel and celebrate Christmas as well as New Year. Today is Monday, the 19th of December, and what I'm doing today is taking out my braids. These braids are long overdue. I was supposed to take them out a long time ago, but I have been so busy. But I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, I think. So yeah, let's get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Minutes later.
So far so good. Let me see. So far so good, guys. I don't know it. Sorry, let me cover my hair. First of all, guys, I wanted to show you the sun. So good. Anyway, going to take a little break now because Mans is tired. So see you in a bit. I took a little break and I'm back. Let's just continue. 2 bits, but that's fine. We'll grow back, and losing this hair is actually not easy. But what can we do?
Three hours later.
Hi guys, this is evening now. I'm actually done losing my hair. I had to finish off camera because I got really busy, so I was losing my hair while doing some other things. I'm going to wash it now and I will show you guys when I'm done. So I'm done washing my hair now and it's time for me to comb it. Please ignore that I look like this, but yeah, let's comb it. that was a lot, but I'm done, and I guess I can go to bed like this. I think I'm going to wash my hair again before I make it tomorrow. I'll decide when I wake up. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. Actually it's afternoon. It is 1:54 p.m. and I am walking to the end of my street. Actually, I'm supposed to bike, but yeah, I'm supposed to take a bike. But I said let me do this first because I rushed out of my house. I'm supposed to go and get attachments for my hair. My hair's like this because I washed it. I left it open so that it could dry. So yeah, I'm walking to go and get attachment now to do my hair. I didn't know that my aunt was going to bring somebody over to do her hair at home, so I didn't know to get attachments, and all she bought was black, and I don't want to do black. So now I'm going to go and get my own hair. And this is so weird because everybody's looking at me like, she crazy? But it is what it is. So yeah, I'll enter a bike soon and I'll see you guys. Hi guys, it's still the 20th of December, just that it's evening. My hair is in a scarf because I'm not done. As you can see, we started, but we couldn't finish because I have really full hair, and from the time I went to buy my attachment, it was obvious that we're not going to finish today. Anyway, we're going to finish tomorrow, but I came to say good night to you guys. Good night. Hi guys, good evening. Today is Wednesday, 21st of December. I'm recording outside because it's evening, there's no light, so it's really dark inside. Today nothing much happened. Just completed my hair. The lady came really early, by like 6:30 a.m. and we finished by like 1 p.m. So I've not really been able to record, and yeah, afterwards I had to take my cousin to go get his haircut, and we took a bike because biking is fun. We love biking, so we opted to bike there. When I came back I had chores to do, so I completed them, and I'm just here to give an update really quickly. I think I would come back this evening because I might start packing today. We're traveling on Friday by God's grace, but in case I don't start packing this evening, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, today is Thursday the 22nd of December and it's evening. Actually it's night. The reason why I always end up filming late is because I'm always busy. I was going to attempt packing last night, but I ended up editing some videos. But now I have to pack because I'm traveling tomorrow, which is Friday. You know, I was thinking about doing vlogmas, but realizing how busy I am and my life is not that interesting, I just decided to change it to a Christmas vlog, and I really hope this is working out. Anyway, I'm traveling with my aunt. My mom already traveled because where we're going to, she's part of the organizers of an event that's going to take place, and I'm going to give more details on that on Saturday, which is when the event is holding, because I'm going to be a part of it. As for now, it's just to pack, you know, get everything ready and set for tomorrow. And yeah, let's get started. I'm not going to say where I'm traveling to yet. I want you guys to guess. As a Nigerian, this should be easy. If you know me, this should also be very easy. I'm not give too much hints. I'm going to spill the tea later in this video though. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's get packing already. I will do more of the talking while I'm packing because I'm really running behind schedule. Guys, I'm actually really excited about Christmas. I think I've discovered that Christmas is my favorite holiday because I get to travel to my village. Yeah, so I just told you guys I'm traveling to my village. So yeah, I get to travel to my village, be with my entire family. It's amazing. I mean, I don't know about you guys that when you travel to the village, it's just like your family is moving from this base to this base. In my family, it's like one general house, so everyone comes home to their house. So all my cousins, all my uncles, all my aunties, I love it because we bond and we talk about different stuff that you can't talk about over the phone. It's just lovely because I really love my family, and I love being with them. So that once a year that I get to do it, I love it so much. It's not as consistent as it was when I was back in primary school. When I was younger, everybody would come. Now, we're all getting new lives, we're all getting different lives. But I'm still grateful for what I have. And I think this year, a good amount of my family is coming. I think I'm low because of this thing. But yeah, a good amount of my family is coming and I'm grateful for that. So yes, you guys should travel to your villages and enjoy it. Guys, I have realized that people don't understand when people travel to their villages for Christmas. I was just texting my friend and she was asking why in particular Igbo people do it. So let me just answer that here. It's not particularly just Igbos, even though we're the ones like really fond of doing it. But it's the fact that we're mainly Christians and when Jesus was about to be born, Mary, his mom, had to travel to her village for census, like head counts and stuff. So it's not like we get counted or anything, but we're just following that same story of, when Jesus is about to born, you just go back to your village and we don't do census, like I said before, but we just be with our families, just how they were in the Bible or something like that. I don't know, I figured this out on my own when I was in secondary school and I love it. I'm finally done. It's nearly 12 a.m. guys, and we're supposed to wake up at 5 a.m. and everyone in this house is still awake. Anyway, this was supposed to be much easier and take lesser time because I'm quite an organized person. My mom was already taking some stuff for me to the village, and how many days am I even staying? It's just 11 or so, so I can't be packing that much. But filming for different social media platforms at once is actually difficult. But yeah, I'm done now guys, and that's about it. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next morning.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday, 23rd December, and I'm traveling today. I woke up by 6 a.m. and as you guys saw, I've been doing a couple of stuff. I had to download some school things, set some videos to upload for much later because internet in my village is really whack, and I hope that works out well. It's 9 a.m. I've never had my bath, but I'm about to go do that, so I'll go do that before I come back and keep talking to you guys. Hey guys, I'm really rushing because it's 11 and we're supposed to leave at 9:30, and obviously when they say that in African they mean 10:30, but this is 11 and we're really late. So I couldn't even do my hair, but what does it matter? I'm going to my house, I'm going to my village. Yeah, let's get going.
Why are you coming out of here?
I'm not coming out.
I'm going to be listening blind free. Are you? Masquerade, no. Can you see them? We are videoing here.
Makas Muslim Nata.
Oh yeah, you both should sing as we rehearse.
How are you, Baba? How are you?
My graduate. Whoa.
The next day.
Ada Rikwene. This is the second data entrance. Entering things into the computer. See her personal computer. See the first data entrance. She's doing it on a register. This is the nurse. The nurse is doing the actual activity, measuring BP. Just saw some wonders. One person owns all of those cars. Crazy. There's like this thing that's viral that is the African mothers. How will you African island and there? Who do you want to get something from? You know them before?
Much later.
Hey guys, good evening. Today is what's today? Christmas Eve, Saturday, 24th of December. This street light is solo. Okay, so guys, obviously, Jesus, this place is dark. But I'm on the road. I'm taking a walk with my cousin. Oh. But yeah, so yeah, a lot has happened today. But I'm obviously not going to stand on the road and give the updates. So yeah, I'll give it when I get back home.
So today's Christmas Eve. We had a lot of fun. We are preparing things for Christmas and our cousin's birthday on the 2nd of January 2023.
2 seconds. Second!
Oh,
Second of January! Oh, this guy got down us. This is where we're going.
I beg. Off. So, you can imagine. Big sister's little sister went to buy something at the shop. And you can imagine, in a whole village,
Take over.
Airtel 200 naira is now 210 naira.
You said your money is how much? 2,000 naira. Thief. Did you bring me from Costa Rica? I'm robber.
I think I will be going out every day and making videos because wrong timing.
Hi guys, good evening. It's still Christmas Eve, 24th of December, Saturday. So I'm back from my walk with my cousin. Today, I told you guys that my mom was involved in an event. So the event was this like outreach to like elderly people in our village, and she was part of the medical team. So I mainly concentrated on like the medical team. We had to, check BPs, blood sugars, and their pulse, and then we recorded it. We referred some people to the hospital and other stuff. It was really nice. I didn't like take videos of the outreach part because that was in my department, but it was really fun. I saw different people, the regular, I carried you when you were small, oh I know you, oh is this Ife, oh my god you grow so much. But all in all it was fun. It was my cousin, and yeah, it's really late to be very honest, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Today is Sunday the 25th of December finally, and yeah, I'm off to church obviously for my dressing. I'm actually late for church, so I'll text you guys when I'm back, but in the meantime I hope you guys have a great celebration, a beautiful celebration, and this day brings many more joys. I have to rush now. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's still Sunday the 25th of December. We're back from church. I took some pictures afterwards, and I had to pack my hair back because it's too long and it was getting into a lot of things when we were about to have lunch. Today's just like a regular stay at home Sunday because it's obvious that a lot of people did not come back this time around. I mean, we don't have anywhere to go and no one has come to our house. Anyway, it's all good and fine. Christmas is still okay. I'm not feeling too strong at the moment even, but it's still good. Lunch was beautiful and I hope the rest of the day goes on well. In the meantime, I'll see you guys on a more interesting day, which I hope will be tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. Hi guys, today is Monday the 26th of December. Happy Boxing Day guys. This is still my Christmas vlog. Stepped out to the gym this morning, and although we're very late, we got to take some pictures instead, and that was about it. We're headed back home now, and I'll see you guys when I get back. So we're back home, it's like 11 a.m. and we stayed longer than expected because a family friend asked us to come back to his house from the gym, and we went. And please ignore background noises, the TV is on, and I'm not going to turn it off because it's not my house. It was really nice. Christmas has been great, it's been fun, and I'm really having a nice time, and I'm not even sure I'm covering a lot of that in this vlog. I feel like I'm kind of trying to live in the moment for some, and then some I just don't know how I'm going to cover them. But I hope this work is going well, and I hope you guys are enjoying it.